वह करेगा भी क्या? What would he even do? What would he even do? वह सोचेगा भी क्या? What would he even think? What would he even think? वह खाएगा भी क्या? What would he even eat? What would he even eat? वह समझेगा भी कैसे? How would he even understand? How would he even understand? वह रुकेगा भी कहाँ? Where would he even stay? Where would he even stay? वह मानेगा भी क्यों? Why would he even agree? Why would he even agree? ना ज़्यादा गर्म ना ज़्यादा ठंडा. Neither too hot nor too cold. Neither too hot nor too cold. ना ज़्यादा भारी ना ज़्यादा हल्का. Neither too heavy nor too light. Neither too heavy nor too light. ना ज़्यादा लंबा ना ज़्यादा छोटा. Neither too tall nor too short. Neither too tall nor too short. ना ज़्यादा तेज ना ज़्यादा धीमा. Neither too fast nor too slow. Neither too fast nor too slow. ना ज़्यादा कड़ा ना ज़्यादा मुलायम. Neither too hard nor too soft. Neither too hard nor too soft. अच्छा होगा कि तुम यहाँ से चले जाओ. You had better go from here. You had better go from here. अच्छा होगा कि तुम ज़्यादा ना बोलो. You had better not speak much. You had better not speak much. अच्छा होगा कि वह मेरे रास्ते में ना आए. He had better not come in my way. He had better not come in my way. अच्छा होगा कि तुम मुझसे बात ही न करो. You had better not talk to me. You had better not talk to me. अच्छा होगा कि वह मुझसे पंगा ना ले. He had better not mess with me. He had better not mess with me. मुझसे वादा करो तुम खेलने नहीं जाओगे. Promise me, you won't go to play. Promise me, you won't go to play. मुझसे वादा करो, तुम स्कूल जाओगे. Promise me, you will go to school. Promise me, you will go to school. मुझसे वादा करो तुम उसे नहीं चिढ़ाओगे. Promise me, you won't tease him. Promise me, you won't tease him. मुझसे वादा करो, तुम मेरी मदद करोगे. Promise me, you will help me. Promise me, you will help me. मुझसे वादा करो तुम इसे खोजोगे. Promise me, you will find it. Promise me, you will find it. मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे बुलाया जब मैं खेल रहा था. My mother called me as I was playing. My mother called me as I was playing. जब मैं खाना खा रहा था तब वह आया. He came as I was eating food. He came as I was eating food. जब मैं सो रहा था तब फोन बजा. As I was sleeping, phone rang. As I was sleeping, phone rang. जब मैं आया वो चला गया था. He had left as I came. He had left as I came. जब मैं खेल रहा था तब वह गिरा. As I was playing, he fell. As I was playing, he fell. मैं इसे आसान समझता था. I considered it to be easy. I considered it to be easy. मैं तुम्हें ईमानदार समझता था. I considered you to be honest. I considered you to be honest. मैं उसे समझदार समझता था. I considered him to be wise. I considered him to be wise. मैं इस काम को महत्वपूर्ण समझता था. I considered this work to be important. I considered this work to be important. मैं तुम्हें भरोसेमंद समझता था. I considered you to be trustworthy. I considered you to be trustworthy. मैं उसकी राय के बिल्कुल खिलाफ हूँ. I am dead against his opinion. I am dead against his opinion. वह इस प्रस्ताव के बिल्कुल खिलाफ है. He is dead against this proposal. He is dead against this proposal. हम उसके निर्णय के बिल्कुल खिलाफ हैं. We are dead against his decision. We are dead against his decision. वे इस नियम के बिल्कुल खिलाफ हैं. They are dead against this regulation. They are dead against this regulation. तुम इस विचार के इतने खिलाफ क्यों हो? Why are you so dead against this idea? Why are you so dead against this idea? उसने अपने परिवार के लिए सब कुछ दांव पर लगा दिया. He put everything at stake for his family. He put everything at stake for his family. तुमने उसकी मदद के लिए सब कुछ दांव पर लगा दिया. You put everything at stake to help him. You put everything at stake to help him. वह अपने सपने को पूरा करने के लिए सब कुछ दांव पर लगा रहा है. He is putting everything at stake to fulfill his dream. He is putting everything at stake to fulfill his dream. उसने सच के लिए अपना सब कुछ दांव पर लगा दिया. She put everything at stake for the truth. She put everything at stake for the truth. हमने अपने दोस्त के लिए सब कुछ दांव पर लगा दिया. We put everything at stake for our friend. We put everything at stake for our friend.